Here's how to fill a text box with color in Canva step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Open your Canva design. From the left menu, click Text and add any text box to your canvas. Go to Elements, search for Rectangle, and add it to your design. Click the rectangle and pick any color you want for the text background. Resize the rectangle so it fits behind the text. Then click Position, then tap back to place it behind the text. Now your text has a clean colored background. You can also use text styles or graphic frames from Elements. Search for shapes or frames, place them behind text, and customize the look. Canva does not have a built-in text highlight button. Using shapes is the correct method. Perfect for thumbnails, headings, quotes, social media posts. And that's it. That's how to fill a text box background color in Canva. Subscribe for more Canva design tips.